All right, so welcome guys. We're here at a project in East Hampton. This is a renovation. We're going to start a new playlist on this project because we have a lot of interesting things going on here and, old construction issues that we're running into and fixes that we need to do for them. So why don't we go inside and take a look at the project. And one of the phases of this project is the addition. You can see right here, we're working on the footings now. So this is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath addition to the house, but we'll give you some more updates on that as we keep going on. So let's step inside. So we're still in the demolition and framing phase. So you can see where the old wall was before. There was a big floor-to-ceiling wall that divided the kitchen and the living room, and it made the house feel really small, even though there's huge, high open ceilings. So with this wall coming out, now we're gonna have a really cool modern kitchen here, an island. This is gonna be the sitting area, and there's gonna be a really neat fireplace feature that's gonna be going on that wall over there. Can't wait to get that one up and posted once we get that going. So here we are in now what's going to be the new dining room area. There was a powder room previously in here, so we took the powder room out. That was the staircase to the basement. So we were able to relocate the powder room into that staircase area, and which really allowed us to open up this space a lot. We moved the staircase to the other side of the house, which opened this up very, very well. So you can see we have a nice triangular shaped window with some large format fixed windows on the lower level. So this is going to make a really nice dining area. And then I'll show you outside. We're going to go into our other phase of the project, which is all of our exterior work. We have a new deck going in, a gunite pool, and some other features. So let's go outside and check it out.